So I'm sitting here watching a storm, and I just want to offer up some goodness. We're coming close to the new year, got a new moon coming in. Listen, set yourself up for 2023. People say, how do I change my behavior? How do I not do, what I don't want to do, even though I find it difficult to not do that? 3-pronged approach again. Detect it, disrupt it, replace it. Detect your behavior, detect your destructive emotion, disrupt it. Disrupt it with a sentence like, show me how good it can be, or a sentence like, all is well, I am safe, I trust in the process of the universe, everything works out better than I expect. Replace it with a visualization of you experiencing life or that thing, or having completed that thing, and you're happy and you're joyous and you're energetic and you feel accomplished. Detect it, disrupt it, replace it, do it.